So hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another upload from Grow with Donor YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about how you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can upload your videos and start getting views, start getting more subscribers and become successful on your YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can create a professional YouTube channel so that immediately as you upload your videos, you start getting views, start getting subscribers, because there are many people whenever they create a YouTube channel, after their first load, second upload, third upload, after 3 days they still come back and check on their video whether it has generated views, and it generates no views, zero views. Why? Maybe it is because you did not do something which I'm going to explain in today's video. So guys, without delaying much of your time, I hope you subscribe to the channel. Let's get the show started. Now, I think before you even create a YouTube channel, you need to understand that yes, you have a content that you want to be making. You have a niche that you want to be making content on. And how do you do this? After you know the kind of niche you actually want to be making video on, the first thing you need to do is just go to the YouTube Red app, go to their search bar and type in that certain kind of content. Let's say I want to be making videos on how to grow a YouTube channel. Then what I did was that I just go to the YouTube search, type in how to grow a YouTube channel. Then I check on the auto completion. I take my pen and barrel, I write them down. That's the first thing I did. Then again, I go to Google and type in how to grow a YouTube channel. I see the auto completion and people also search. I copy all those kind of keywords. I copy them down. That's the first step I took. And after that, and I'll say, okay, if I actually want to create a YouTube channel, I need to have a banner. I need to have a profile pics. I need to have a channel descriptions. I need to have a channel keywords. So I need all these kind of things. And then I also need the kind of thumbnail I actually want to be making. So the first thing I actually did was that I wanted to create a banner. I go to the Canva, I look at the suggested, the suggested banner. I now pick one out of them. I edit it based on my niche. Again, I look for a profile pics. I edit it based on my niche. Same thing. Then what I did was that I go to ChatGPT. I go and search for YouTube channel descriptions for how to grow a YouTube channel. And ChatGPT will bring you different kind of options. Then you'll be the one to pick. And one thing about ChatGPT is that it will give you a correct descriptions with the keywords. It will optimize it for you. Then I copy them down. Then again, I know that my channel must definitely have a name, and the name must be unique, because if the name is not unique, if I have the same name with another creator on YouTube channel, I think we are going to be doing some kind of competition, because if the audience go to the YouTube search and search the name of my YouTube channel, that person owns might likely come before my own, because maybe the person has already established well on this YouTube platform before me. I decided to join. So what I did was that I just go to the YouTube Red app, I search the name of my channel that I actually want to make. I saw that many people has already been using that kind of name, and I decided to say, okay, I'm not going to use this name anymore. Let me change it. Then I decided to say, okay, let me use Grow With. As I type in Grow With, I see that many people has already used something like Grow With, but none of them add donor. And I decided to say, okay, since my nickname is Donor, I just add Donor. So Grow With Donor. So I found out that it is only my channel that is named Grow With Donor. So even though if you go to the YouTube search and type in Grow With Donor, it is only my YouTube channel is going to come out. So that's how to get a correct YouTube channel name. Just choose a unique one so that you'll be the only one bearing that name, and your channel will be the one to display when the audience actually go to the YouTube search and search the name of your channel. So after getting all this down, I've getting my channel keywords. Then the next thing is for you to create a YouTube channel. What I did was that I go to the YouTube Red app. I go at the below down right hand side below. I go to the profile and click on it. You will see create channel. If you have not created any YouTube channel before, you will see create channel with that your same Gmail. Then I type in the name of my channel and also the handle of my channel. And since the name is unique, the handle also will be unique. It will be the same thing. So I enter the handle, then I click on create, and that's how my channel is created. But that is not the end. After creating this YouTube channel, The next thing is for me to optimize my channel. The next thing is for me to also customize my YouTube channel. I just go to the Google, I search for YouTube Studio Desktop Login Mobile Desktop app. So from there, I enter into the YouTube Studio Desktop app. So from there, I go to the settings, go to the channel, and the first thing was that I optimize my channel. You will see channel keywords. This channel keywords is very, very important. The name of your channel should be the one that came first. Then after that, all those related keywords you have picked initially, just just enter them into this channel keywords. Why am I doing this? The first name will actually make my channel to be to be visible on the YouTube search. That's why I enter the first name of my channel. Then any other related channel keywords will actually make my videos to come out whenever people search that kind of keywords. And also my channel will be discovered also. So after that, I click on save. Then I go to more advanced settings. Then I go and do verification. Yes, you need to do verification with your mobile phone. All these things I'm doing it at the same time. It is because I've already get them down because I know that this is something I need to know before I even create a YouTube channel. So I enter the phone number, I verify it. Then the same thing, I go to the features eligibility. I do my short video verification because all these things are very, very necessary for you to be able to upload more videos and for you to be able to use thumbnail. Yes, and for your videos to get discovered because this will actually make YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos since you are able to verify your YouTube channel. So after doing all this, the same thing, I go and put some tags in my default upload. So quite possible. So I've already optimized my channel by doing all this. Then the next thing is for me to customize my channel. By the left hand side, I click on customization. It's the second to the last. Click on it. The first thing what I did was that I upload my banner, I upload my profile pics, then I go to the watermark. I upload a subscribe button. Why I did this was that anytime people are watching my videos, you see below it, you see a subscribe button, which will be displayed through the entire videos. Yes, this actually notify audience to subscribe. So these are some of the things you need to do immediately, even though after creating your channel in that day. Before you even upload your first video, these are something you actually need to do. Then again, I found out that many people, whenever they create a YouTube channel, they did not add for you section. And for you section is very, very important because these are places where people get latest video for you section. You can ask it to display your latest video or ask it for you to display your old videos aside from the video. Yes, if you look at people's channel customization, some people are having for you section while some people are not activating this for you section. So after you activate the for you section, then below it, you click on more. You see add it to recency content. Yes, so that it will be your recent content that will be displayed on the for you section. So not your old content. So this is how you do it. This is how you customize your YouTube channel. And at the end of the day, just click on publish. Or at the end of the day, before you click on publish, enter your channel descriptions. It's very, very important. You have already gotten all this down before you even start creating a YouTube channel. Then click on publish after that. Then after you have published, you have done one thing. You have optimized your YouTube channel and you have customized it, and everything is well set for your video first upload. So after that, just upload your first video, upload the second video, because I advise you to always make like 2 videos before you even create the YouTube channel, because it's not advisable for you to create a YouTube channel now later you now start uploading videos. No, just make sure you have the video you actually want to upload before you even create that YouTube channel. So after you have now uploaded the first video, then optimize it the way you optimize your YouTube channel. Optimize it very well. The reason why I will not explain this video optimization was that if you check my videos, under my videos, you will see that I've already make some videos on how to optimize your YouTube videos while uploading it. So you can watch the video on how you can really optimize your videos and start getting views, start getting subscribers. So after you have optimized it very, very well, then the next thing for you is to just publish your first video, publish your second video. And at the end of the day, just come back after 1 hour, you find out that your videos has generated views. It shows that your channel is visible to everyone. and that's how you start getting views. From there, continue to upload videos at your regular schedule, and that's how you start making it on your YouTube channel. It's not more than that. These are some of the things you need to know before you even create a YouTube channel, because if you create a YouTube channel without doing all these kind of things, your channel will not be visible on the YouTube search. Your channel will not be visible on other websites, and that's how you will struggle to get views from the start. So it's better for you to do this before you even thinking of creating a YouTube channel. So guys, this is the update I said I share with you. If you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, make a comment. Thank you guys.